Hello YouTube, this is going to be the cleaning and lubricating of your gas pistol, and I'm going to be lubricating my KJW P226. Here we go. So alright, what you want to do is open up your gun. Every gun's going to be differently. So in mine, you're going to have to pull on this lever here, like that, and then start the top off from the bottom, just like that, and then set this aside. We're going to clean it later. And then what you want to do is take the spring out. Take the spring guide out, everything separately, and the top here. Alright, and what you're going to want to do, and if you have one of these cleaning cloths, it's great, or you could just use a tissue, whatever you want. And what you're going to want to do is open up your silicone oil. For example, I'm going to be using the P4 silicone oil. And just take off the straw here. I just got it today, so. And then put it in here. Okay. And what you're gonna want to do is just spray the inner parts here first. You pull this back here, and then you lubricate it just a little bit, like that, and then just move it back and forth, like that, because that's where the blowback's gonna be coming from. You don't want that part to be all dried up or anything. And then just clean the top frame here, just a little bit, just like that. Like so. And then just dry it up. Just leave it here like that, and a little bit in here, like so. And then just leave this part lubricated, and clean it off here. See, it's already all dirty. And after that, just set it aside. You're not gonna need it. And then the spring guide, just spray a little bit on it. There. And then wipe it off with a cloth, like so. And then the spring, compress it just a little bit, and then just spray it down a little bit, just a little bit. And there. That's all you really need. And just set this aside. And after that, what you're gonna want to do is rip off a little piece of cloth, like that. Make it into like a, just twist it so it'll be straight like that. And lube it up a little bit. Like that. And just put it inside the barrel. And twist it around. Like so. And then go ahead and lubricate the inside of the barrel. Turn it upside down and lubricate it. Like that. And then that'll just drip down on the other side. Like so. And then just wipe off on the outside. Like that. spray a little bit in there because that's starting to wear out once you start using it. In there like that. And then just move it around. Like that. And then just spray like 4 squirts, one here, 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 and here on the frame of the gun. Don't over lubricate it or else you're gonna cause problems to the gun also. And then just wipe it off with your finger. Like that. See, it's already all dirty. And then just spray some in here. So you want to keep the trigger all lubricated nicely. Just go ahead and keep all the moving parts all lubricated so the gun won't get messed up or anything. Just keep all the buttons all fresh, like new. Alright, and after that, just go ahead and spray the bottom where the magazine is gonna go. Just spray it, like that. And then put in the paper and wipe it off. Just remember, if you play field, you're gonna want to clean the gun more often. And if you play CQB only, then you're only gonna need cleaning like not as much as field. So that's a good thing. Alright, and after that you're gonna want to put your gun back together. Just make sure that's well lubricated. Okay. And then put the spring back in. Wait, hold on. Like that. Like that. And then slide in the bottom, the barrel, like that. And there you go. And then that's pretty okay. And then put the top part onto the bottom part here. Close it and then circle it back. And that's the pistol. And now for the magazine, what you're gonna want to do is spray the bottom now, the filling valve here. Just spray a little bit into it, like that. Not too much or you're gonna damage it. And then the release valve here, also just spray a little bit, like that. And then this part up here, you also need to spray in there, like that. And then what you're gonna want to do with your spring is pull it all the way down, like that, and just spray it a little bit in here, like that. And then move it back and forth, like that. And just spray the excess out. And then after that, you're gonna want to put in some green gas, but I already did that. So that was the cleaning of the KJW P226. Thanks for watching.